Okay, so these aggravating things here, it's really difficult to get these arms on and off, and the reason is there's not much travel. On the front, on your windshield, you got all kinds of room, but with this, it's really hard to get this thing extended so that you can effectively get that thing up. So I'll tell you what I had to do. There's a little tiny dimple right in there, little slot. You can put a screwdriver in there and you pry this out. This is a little protective cap. The cap. Okay. Come on. Okay. So this is a 13 millimeter on the Dodge anyway. So you want to take this nut off here, and sometimes it'll come off easy and sometimes it won't. I'll tell you a little trick that I had learned over the years about getting things off like this. Sometimes, because it's stuck on there, you get it loose, but leave the nut on. They give you something to tap on. You can hold it there. See, that just popped. It just popped. So now, take this nut off. Okay. So what happens is, when you go to put these things on, this little thing, this hook, let's see, the little retainers are right here. So I guess if you just push out on these a little bit, it'll come out. There you go. So when you go to put this on without this arm off, you don't have enough room to manipulate this thing to get it to work. So this hook goes down in here and fastens around this adapter, and then it just pulls. And in order to get it all the way on, see there? The hook is behind these little tabs. These little tabs hold it from falling off. So, okay, here we go. I'll push in on them a little bit to make them work like they're supposed to. Now that you've got this on, line up your windshield wiper where it needs to go. Push this. Oops. I think if I put it right there and tighten it up, it will tighten it right down where it needs to be. And I just go by the marks already on there. So now I'm just going to tighten this down. And I'll tell you what, I fought this thing like for an hour, and it wounded me. The screwdriver flew off, hit my finger, made me bleed. But if you do it like that, it's much simpler, because before I couldn't get the arm all the way up where it needs to go, where it would click, and the thing was like, it's gonna fall off. Going like that, it's gonna fall off. So I hope this helps you. I learned things the hard way, so you don't have to.